Hello everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, Mahesh.
Morning. Am I audible? Right?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. Let's start a new journey. Okay. Today I will introduce Salesforce to you. Right. So our journey will start from now. Okay. So you guys are selected good course. Okay. Hopefully it will be nice and okay. So first, before starting the Salesforce, okay, let me introduce myself. Okay, I'm having total 10 years of experience in Salesforce, both implementation, right, and business side, requirement side, everything. So you will get good knowledge by end of the course. Okay, that is myself. Okay, I am a real-time expert, so you will get a real-time scenarios as well throughout the this course duration. And second, we will start today introduction. From tomorrow onwards we'll start with actual concepts. Okay, so
Yes.
whenever, sorry, go ahead.
Nothing much.
Yeah, if any questions are there, just ping in the chat, or we will have at the end of the session 5 to 10 minutes we will have a question and answer sessions. Okay, so instead of disturbing others, so we'll follow like that. Or if any immediate question you have, right, just ping in the chat, then I'll take it and I will try to answer it. Okay, let me know if you guys are able to see my screen.
Yes, your screen is visible.
Yeah, so we are learning now Salesforce CRM. Okay, so why we are learning Salesforce CRM means, so CRM, Salesforce CRM is number one in the market today, and there are a lot of opportunities are available in the market. That's why we are learning Salesforce CRM. Salesforce is just a company, so that Salesforce company using CRM tool, and Salesforce company is building CRM tool. Salesforce company selling the CRM tool. All right, that's, there are a lot of CRM tools are available in the market, like Oracle, there is a CRM tool. Microsoft Dynamics, another CRM tool. Zoho CRM, Hotspot, HubSpot, there is another CRM, right? SAP CRM. There are a lot of CRMs are available in the market. Okay, so out of whatever the CRMs are there in the market, Salesforce occupies, as per the 2022 analysis, right, 19.8% of share Salesforce is occupied throughout the world. Okay, remaining other competitors, right, they occupy 2%, 3%, 5%, maximum 7% in the market. So that's why you will have a lot of opportunities in the market for the Salesforce CRM. Why Salesforce CRM only popular? Why others not popular means, so the first thing is Salesforce CRM come up with cloud based technology. First cloud based technology Salesforce is introduced. Earlier also we have CRM, right, that is on premises. Now everything is moving towards cloud. That's why today every day nowadays we are also hearing, right, as cloud. So recently even Satya Nadella is also said, okay, the future is about clouds only, right? So that means everyone moving towards cloud. Okay, so why this cloud is important? First of all, what is the difference between on premises to cloud? Okay, on premise is nothing but you have to install software in your place, whatever the organization, right? At that organization level, you have to install the server, you have to install the software, and you have to maintain. If you are not using as well, you have to pay for it. Let's suppose in a 1 year you have installed the software, server, you are maintaining everything, right? In the span of 1 year, okay, you are just using only 2 months only, even though you have to pay for 1 year. But when it comes to cloud, no need to install any software, no need to maintain any software. It is not your responsibility. Whoever is the providing the cloud service, right? So that is their responsibility to maintain that cloud infrastructure, everything, right? And it is only pay for use. How much you are using, so you have to pay for that only. If you are not using, right, you don't need to pay for that, right? That is the difference between on-premises to cloud. That's why everyone is moving towards cloud to decrease the cost of maintenance, right? Everything they want to cost cutting, right? So that's why everyone moving towards cloud, right? So Salesforce is also come up with the CRM. Earlier on-premises is there, right? Salesforce is also come up with cloud-based CRM, right? That's why it is popular. And another thing to popularity means Salesforce is providing more features compared to other competitors, and it is easy to use. That is very, very important. That is easy to use means anyone, let's suppose if you take Salesforce admin, right? So if anyone listening these training videos or tutorials, right, even kids also can learn easily. It just point and click only for admin, right? Just point and click only. So if they know how to operate computer and if they are how to operate mouse, right, so they can also do admin things. Okay, so that much easy thing. The only thing is practice is required, right? So this is difference between on premises to cloud. Now we will discuss what is CRM. So we are discussing about CRM. There are different types of CRMs are there in the market, right? What exactly meant by CRM, right? So the full form is customer relationship management. So most of the people knows. If they don't know, so right, the full form of the CRM is customer relationship management. All right. So what is this customer relationship management? How it is important for the organization, right? I will tell you a small story for about CRM. How olden days it is painful, right? How they are doing earlier and why they are choosing these CRM tools, right? For example, simple, right? In our olden days, we have a mobile. If you see mobile phones evolution, right? So initially we will have landline phones. Okay. So with the landline phones, we cannot send any text message, we cannot send any video message, right? We can just call. All right. That is also we should not carry that land phone wherever we go. Then the mobile phones are introduced. That means what is the advantage? You can carry wherever you want and you can also send message. After that, smartphones are introduced, right? After that, there are a lot of technologies introduced, right? Same way, in the CRM, where there is no CRM, right? People are using all the data and everything in Excel formats. How painful if you maintain the data in the Excel format is. I'll tell you a story. Let's suppose if I'm the CEO of the organization, I want to review my business, right? So whoever is reporting to the CEO, like CFO level, SVPs, directors, right, sales managers, sales people, what they have to do, they have to combine this Excel data because their organization spread across the world, right? So each country and each state, right, they have to collect the data first and they have to combine all the data into one Excel, right? After that, if the data is ready, then on top of it they have to create some dashboards because CEO we cannot show these are the 1 million records are there, so you can analyze, like we cannot show to CEO like that, right? We have to create some dashboards, beautiful dashboards. Dashboards are in the pictorial representation form, right? So to this process, right, collecting and merging, right, it is very, very painful job for everyone and it involves a lot of manual efforts, first of all, right? So to reduce this manual efforts, to reduce, right, because the sales manager, sales user job is to focus on their sales. But earlier days, 50% they are focusing on their sales and 50% they are focusing on doing this manual effort. That means the company growth is decreasing because everyone is fed up with this manual efforts, right? So then the CRM comes into the picture. CRM tools. Then if you use CRM tools, no need to use any Excels. Okay, you can store data directly into the CRM tools. Then everyone can visible if they have to log in and they can see entire data, right? So that is the evolution of the CRM, right? So once a CRM tool, if you have, so the data is at CRM tool itself, anyone can see at any point of time. If I create today only, so that record itself, that whatever the data you created, it will be available for everyone. Okay. But what is the CRM is important. So we talked about how the data is stored earlier, right? But what is the CRM? Customer relationship management is organizations who are selling the products, who are selling the services, right? They want to maintain a good relationship with customer from when they start with the selling, right, to the when they want to provide a services to the customer. Throughout journey, they want to maintain a good relationship with that customer, right? So then generally, who is our who will become customer in general, right? Whoever purchased a product from any organization, that person becomes a customer, right? If let's suppose if I am purchasing from any product from Amazon, I am the one of the customer for Amazon, all right? Or else if I am purchasing any product from Samsung, I am the one of the customer for Samsung. Customer may be one person, customer may be organization. Let's suppose there is a Infosys company is purchasing 10,000 iPhones for their employees. Now who is the customer for Apple is Infosys, the customer for Apple. Customer may be a single person, customer may be a organization as well, correct? For that organization, some of the prospecting customers also there. Prospecting means, okay, that person may be customer in future because he is interested, right? So to maintain customers data, to maintain prospecting customers data, this CRM is useful. Okay, CRM, why they are using? To maintain customers data and to maintain prospecting customers, right? So for that purpose, CRMs, most of the organizations are using the CRM, right? So what is the CRM evolution process from start to end? Let's suppose if I want to buy a product, or if I want to, as an organization, I build a one product. Okay, I want to introduce this product to entire the world, right? Then only they can know, okay, I am building this product, right? See, let's suppose Tesla, you can take it, Tesla is an example, right? How it is popular? Because of the promotions, because of the right campaigns, right? If any product, if you want to popular, right, so first what they will do, the organization, they will do promotions, right? Why they will do promotions? Because they have to attract people attention. They have to tell, okay, we are releasing this product. They want to get to know how many members are interested, really interested, because I have to start manufacturing, right? Because if they are not conducting promotions, what will happen? If blindly, if I manufacture, let's suppose Apple is building iPhone 14, for example, manufacturing. If they don't know how many members are interested, right? If they build 1 lakh pieces, for example, but only 10,000 people are interested, right? What about remaining 90,000 pieces? It's a huge loss, right? And if they build only 10,000 pieces, but the demand is 1 lakh members are ready to buy now itself, then also there is a huge loss, right? So to maintain that gap, what people will do, right? they will do promotions, campaigns. They will do both are same, promotions and campaigns. Okay, so they will do promotions and campaigns. Why they are doing promotion is to attract people. How many people are really interested in our product, right? So first they will do campaign. So when they are doing campaign and when they are doing promotions, right, what they will do, they will give an email, they will give a mobile phone. Let's suppose we are starting this course, we also done campaign, right? So and so course is started, this is the registration link, something, right? So that means we don't know how many members may join, right? So we have started a campaign, we have started a promotion, then you will start contacting the management, right? So that is the thing you will do. Now, so let's suppose there are 100 members are contacted in the management. For example, this course, an example I'm saying, right? Is 100 members will join this course? Not guaranteed. Then management will keep on interacting with them, right? Interact with them, so they will explain about the course, explain about the trainer, explain about the fee, explain about the different other features, right? Right, we will provide certifications, we will provide whatever the support we want, right? Everything they will explain, right? So out of 100, let's suppose some of them may drop immediately, some of them are very excited, some of them are without these details, they are interested to learn, right? Let's suppose 70% are more interested, then what will happen? So generally, so these are the 70 people are interested to buy our product. Okay, then salespeople will enter, right? So they will start selling our products to salespeople. Okay, so how they will sell? Let's suppose you guys also see day-to-day life, right? You will get credit card calls. Are you interested for the credit card or loan? Are you interested for personal loan? Why they are calling? Why they are calling? So because somewhere, okay, they got your contact. Okay, so because of that they are calling, so you are interested, you because there are several ways are there to transfer your contact, right? Okay, they are treating that you are interested in that, that's why they are calling, they are getting about more details. So what kind of credit card you are interested, what kind of loan you are interested. Okay, so we are providing fancy interest rates, so will you buy this personal loan? Okay, so they will say something because those are the sales people, they will convince always to buy their products, right? So for that, the sales people went on. So sales people try to sell the product. Once they try to sell the product, right, then what will happen? Okay, you will receive the product. Once you receive the product, there may be some issues will be there, right? Sometimes, not every time. If issues are there, then they will provide support email or support customer care phone number, right? You have to call, right, based on the terms and condition, based on the policy terms, right? So if warranty is there, they will provide their support, right? That means they will provide the entire support. See the journey of the customer. First he is interested, next he got the products, then he is getting the support, right? This is the evolution, right? So customer from starting of the point to once we deliver the product, after that delivering we are providing the support, right? As a organization, okay, I'm not selling to the one customer, right? I'm selling to the thousands of customers day to day. Okay, so Apple is selling to the thousands of customers day to day, different products. What kind of products are there? Apple for iPhones are there, tablets are there, desktops are there, right? Laptops are there, different products are there, right? They are selling to the different people day to day life. I want to see, okay, from which product how many issues are coming after delivery, or how many people are interested in this month to purchase this particular product, which product most people are interested, right? Why most people are interested in only in this product? Why not? Because I want, as a CEO, I want to take a decision, as a SVP I want to take a decision, right, to improve that product. How can I improve? Data. So based on the data, now everything data is available in CRM, right? Then CEO, SVP, directors, then they can start analyzing Okay, why this product is not selling? We have invested a lot of amount on this product, and we have given a good amount of security, right? Why still the people are not buying? It's because of a lack of promotion. It's because of we are not explaining well the features, right? There may be a fault of salespeople as well. They are not able to sell that products, even the product is good, right? They have to take necessary actions immediately, right? If this is not available, right? So to, let's suppose there is a customer, for example, I will see one example. There is a customer, let's suppose Infosys, take it. So they want to buy 1,000 iPhones, all right? So they started discussions, all right? Suddenly I so they started and they are getting about quotes how much it is so for the 1,000 pieces, right? Then they requested 10% of discount. Then Apple is denied. Then okay, they no more interested, right? If CRM is not there, for example, in this conversation, CRM is not there. This data when they will get, so they have to right now they are using an Excel. So this deal is now lost. Infosys, Infosys is the customer looking for the 1,000 pieces, but some because of the price, we lost that deal. We are not able to provide 10% discount. That's why we lost the that opportunity. But when CEO knows this information, when they collected all the information merging, right, when they are doing analysis with the CEO, right, then he will get this information or any owner of that particular deal, right? But if CRM is there, right, so immediately you can send in, you can notification immediately with a fraction of seconds only, right? Because the data is available in the CRM only, right? Okay, this deal is we are about to last because they are requesting 10% of discount. Then there may be a CEO thought like that, or the director thought that okay, we can provide even though if you are facing loss, even though I want to provide 10% discount to this customer because in future I will get more opportunities from this customer. They may buy 2,000 iPhones for next year or different products we can promote, right? It's okay. Sometimes they may deny as well. Different factors will be. But immediately without, right, immediately they can take action. Otherwise, if they are not taking action, right, the Infosys may look for another competitor. Okay, maybe instead of iPhone, I will buy OnePlus, for example. They may say like that, right? So the same price I can get it also, right? So immediately they will look for another competitor, and this guy will lose this opportunity, and another competitor will gain profits, right? That's why no one want to lose any customer because from the few in the future context they may get also good deals. So this is customer relationship from promotions, selling, marketing, right, providing support, right? So we are maintaining a healthy relationship with customer from starting point to end point of the throughout the cycle, right? That is the customer relationship management. Okay, if anyone asks CRM, right, this is the process, the CRM, right? So they want to maintain a good relationship with the customers throughout this process, the promotions, right, interacting with the customers, marketing, sales, then support, right? This is CRM. Any questions so far?
No, Mahesh.
Okay, good. So this CRM, Salesforce is providing with good amount of features. That's why Salesforce is popular in the market. Okay. So right now we are talking about a cloud, right? Generally, each and every cloud mainly divided into three portions. Okay. SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. Okay, what it means? SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. Okay, SaaS are nothing but software as a service. That means I said that why clouds are famous means no need to install any software. They will provide services. What kind of provide services they will provide? These three types of services each and every cloud vendor will provide. Software as a service, right? Platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. These three services any cloud vendor will provide, right? What is that? Software as a service. And what kind of services Salesforce is providing? Salesforce is providing first two services. Salesforce is not providing third services. Infrastructure as a service, Salesforce is not providing. As a software as a service, Salesforce is providing CRM tool. Okay, CRM software. They are hosting the CRM software in the cloud as a software as a service. That's why Salesforce CRM is SaaS based software. Okay, CRM is a software, that is a tool. Salesforce is hosting in the cloud, so under software as a service. Salesforce also providing platform as a service to customize. Now Salesforce is providing a tool. Okay, some of the things you want to customize your own. Organization want to customize their own. They have development team. Using development team, they want to customize it. To customize existing CRM, right? Salesforce is providing platform. Platform is nothing but programming tools. It is providing, right? So programming tools, Salesforce is also providing as a platform, like a like we know, right? C, C++, Java, right? This kind of thing. So here also some programming technology Salesforce is introduced, like a Apex, Lightning, LWC, Lightning Web Components, right? There is a programming are there, right? So these two services Salesforce is providing under cloud. Salesforce is not providing any infrastructure service. Generally, infrastructure as a service means, if anyone know about AWS, Amazon Web Service, what Amazon Web Service will do? Amazon Web Service will provide infrastructure. If you want server, you can buy server from the Amazon Web Service, right? If you want any database, you can buy from the Amazon Web Service. They are providing infrastructures. They may also provide SaaS PS as well, but Salesforce cloud, whatever the cloud it is using, right? They are providing only software as a service and platform as a service. They are not providing any infrastructure as a service. Okay. So how Salesforce is getting revenue? So okay, Salesforce is provided a tool software called CRM, and they are also providing platform, right? How Salesforce is getting revenue, right? As I said, right, cloud is nothing but pay per use. If you want to use CRM, then you have to purchase from the Salesforce, right? First of all, right? So if you want to purchase CRM, right, where we can purchase, right, and where we can host means generally in software life cycle. If anyone knows already working, they may know this thing. If anyone new to the software, right, the environment, in the software development life cycle, there are two environments will be there. Okay, one is production environment. Okay, so what is that? One is production environment. Another one is testing environment. Testing or developing environment. Here in the Salesforce, we can call it as a sandbox environment. There are two environments will be there. That means in future, in real time, if you are working in software, so you will work on these two types of environment: production environment and sandbox environment. Production environment is nothing but end users, actual business users will use in the production environment. I will give an example. So we will use, I think in your life in the lifetime, right? You may use ATM machine, right? One of the time, right? So ATM is a production for you, production environment. You are the end user. You are the customer of the account. So you will go and withdraw and you will deposit, right? That is the production environment. What is the sandbox? They want to introduce one more feature in that entire ATM mission only. right? So where they will build? They will build in the ATM. They will come and they will build. They will sit and write code. No, right? Because if they write code in the production itself, then the ATM itself, will you withdraw? Will you deposit? No, it won't work. That's why no one will do any changes in the production, because it will affect production process business, right? If the ATM, let's suppose you are withdrawing, someone comes, hey, I want to introduce new feature, wait for 5 to 7 hours, will you wait? No, no one will use, right? That's why no one will touch production, no one will do any changes directly with affecting the business, right? No one will do that kind of changes in the production. Where they will do changes, okay, the testing environments will be there. They will create those environments from the production to copy existing data, to copy existing settings and everything, right? Same replica, it's a cloning, right? Clone copies they will create. Then they will do the development in the sandbox, testing in that sandbox, and the user business testing is also they will do in the sandbox. Once everything is fine, right, one day they will deploy that to production. Sometimes when you are logging to your internet banking, right, you will see maintenance time. What is that maintenance time? In the maintenance time, so they will introduce new features to the production, right? Here also, whatever the new features we build in the testing environment, right, we after testing everything is working fine as expected, so what they will do, they will move all the changes to production. Then after automatically, most of the times they will do in the weekends, Saturday, Sunday, they will do these deployments. It depends on company. So if a company they want to do it in Monday, they will do. So it's based on the company they will do, right? But in general, so they will do changes like that from sandbox to production they will do. Okay, so these two types of environment. So first you have to purchase this production environment from the Salesforce. How they will purchase organizations? Okay, based on how many license they want, how many users they want to give access to CRM tool, those many license they will purchase. Based on the license, there are different editions will be there. Editions are nothing but, for example, if you are buying OnePlus mobile, let's OnePlus 9 Pro, for example. In the OnePlus 9 Pro itself, there are different versions are there, right? 16 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, 32 GB RAM. The phone is same, OnePlus 9 Pro only, but you will have different variants, right? So when they are purchasing license also, there are different kind of editions will be there. Okay, unlimited edition, enterprise edition, professional edition, developer edition, right? Why this edition means? I don't want as a small scale organization. I am having only 10 employees. I want to give access to 10 employees only, this CRM tool. Why I need to buy unlimited? Not required. So I will go for developer edition. I am the big organization. I am having thousands of employees and I want a good amount of data storage. All right. I want to go with unlimited edition. I'm a medium scale organization. I will go with enterprise edition. Okay, so based on the edition, so based on your employees, based on the your requirement, so you will choose what kind of production environment is suitable for you. Based on that, you will purchase. Based on that, how many licenses you have purchased from the Salesforce, they will charge monthly basis per user. This is the amount you have to pay every month or every year. That's why in that way, Salesforce is getting the revenue when they are selling the CR. Any questions so far?
No, Mahesh.
All good? Okay.
Good. Yeah.
Next. Okay, Salesforce is, but as a learner, right? I cannot buy production from Salesforce. Is Salesforce is providing any free trial edition? Yes. For whoever is learning the CRM tool, right? Salesforce is providing a one production. Salesforce is providing, that is called developer edition. Salesforce is providing developer edition. Okay. So all the configuration related features are available in the developer edition. That means when you are working in this trial edition, when you worked in real time also, the look and feel, everything will be same only. But few of the features Salesforce is not giving in this developer edition. Because if Salesforce gives everything right, so everyone will use free edition only. Who will buy, right? So that's why Salesforce is restricted few, like number of licenses. Here, Salesforce is providing only 2 licenses only. That means you and another employee can work together, right? So they are not providing more than 2 licenses, right? And the data storage, you can only store 5 MB of data. You cannot store more than 5 MB of data, right? So that's why they have a limited something. But features wise, they haven't limited anything. Okay, so their commercial perspective, they have limited few editions, right? Apart from that, you can do everything in the developer edition. To sign up for this developer edition, right? So in the Google, you can type it developer.salesforce.com sign up. Sorry. I will show you how to do developer.salesforce.com sign up. Okay, so if you type this one, right, so you will have a link. So we will create one developer edition. So you will practice day to day in this developer edition. I will also explain everything in the developer edition only, right? So that is the process from tomorrow, right? So today I will explain how to create this trailer. Okay, so let me okay. Okay, so developer dot, I said that developer dot developer.salesforce.com sign up. Okay, so you will get sign up for your Salesforce developer edition. It is simple how you are signing up for the your Gmail, right? Facebook, Insta, right? How you are signing up, right? LinkedIn, right? It is same as, so you have to provide your name. Okay, so you can provide any name. So I am using first name, last name, you have to provide. So email address you have to provide. So let me provide email address. Let me copy email address. So you can provide your email address, role, right? You can choose any role. It doesn't matter. Okay. So if you are aiming from the developer, you can choose. If you are aiming from architect, you can choose the architect, administrator, whatever it is. Okay. And company name. Okay, you can choose any company as of now. So Salesforce will not check, are you working for this company? All right. You can also give Microsoft, you can also give Google, no, not a matter. The country where you are living, you can give country, postal code, anything you can give, any postal code randomly you can give. The username, right? The username format, see, Salesforce has given any name, at symbol should be there, and after that any name dot something. Okay, this is the format you have. You can give any name. At symbol is mandatory. After that, at and dot symbol is mandatory. In between, you can give any words, right? So here I am giving SFDC training at SAG Technologies. You can give any name. .com. Okay, this is the username. Then clicking on sign in. Okay, so it will process 1 or 5 minutes, in between 1 to 5 minutes, right? So it will process, it will send a link to whatever the email you have provided, right? It will send a link to this email. Okay, so there once you got a link, right, you have to verify your account. So this way you can create this developer edition. Okay, so it will take 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes you may get it with less than 5 minutes as well. Okay, So whatever the sign up process is, first name, last name, you have to enter your email ID and whatever the username, country, postal code, and whatever the role you are aiming. Okay. So just as a normal signing up process, right? Once you get that account, right, you have to click on that link. So then you have to set password for that. Okay. Once the password you have created, right, for that account, then automatically you will redirect to Salesforce instance. Okay. Let me refresh my email ID. I got it. It will take time, definitely. So because Salesforce in the backend, it will ready. They will prepare your org, right? Once that is ready, right? They will send email notification to whatever the email you have provided, right? So meanwhile, okay. So that is about developer edition. Once we sign up, right? From tomorrow onwards, okay. Before getting that email, right? From tomorrow onwards, we discussed about tool. Once you created password, right? You will redirect to tool. You can see the tool. The first day you don't know what is the tool, so it may be difficult to understand the terminologies, whatever you are seeing, right? It's very difficult, right? Let's suppose if you don't know in English, for example, let's just example, if I give newspaper, English newspaper, will you understand anything? It will be looks like you don't know what exactly it is. It may be a Chinese language, it may be a Japan language, it may be another language, right? You don't know anything. When you don't know English, if I give a English newspaper, then I teach you alphabets A to Z. Okay, now you know A to Z, you know. Then when you see same newspaper, what will happen? Okay, you can identify the letters. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C. In the entire newspaper, you can identify wherever that letter it is there. Second, if I start teaching words, okay, this is APPLA apple, right? Then you can recognize words as well in the same paper. Then if I teach entire sentences and their meaning, right? Now you can the whatever the paper I have given, right? So you can read and you can understand as well, right? Same way, right now I am giving an English, some language you don't know, I am giving right now, right? The first day if you see, you don't know what exactly it is, right? When I start teaching something, right, so now you can understand, okay, this is in the initial day like that, then now okay, I can understand this thing. After that, if I teach in depth, right, so then you can easily understand the process, you can easily understand what is the terminology. At the end of the course, you have to be familiar with this entire CRM. Okay, this is a very easy learning tool, right? So everyone can learn and everyone can get an opportunity. I'm not saying why I'm saying like this means as a real time expert I'm saying, because I am using day to day life, right? And so many other background people also got opportunity, right? Not only computer background. So whoever is not in computer background also, they have doing very good job in this particular course. Okay, see here I got a verification, right? If I click verify account, so it will redirect it and it will redirect to it will ask to change the password. Okay, just give your password. You can give anything randomly. This is a security question you have to provide. That's it. Okay, now you can see something you are seeing, right? Whatever it is, okay, don't bother about this thing. As I said, right, something you are saying. So if you are seeing this, right, so just click on this button, switch to lightning experience. Okay, just click on switch to lightning experience. Some people, they may directly redirect to lightning experience only. Okay, this is lightning experience, right? I will explain only one feature today. Okay, how to log in and how to log out. That is the only I will explain today. Right. Once you logged in, right? Once you switch to Lightning Experience, or you are already in Lightning Experience, there is a doll symbol at the right side corner. There is a doll symbol, right? Just click on that doll symbol. Then you will see logout option. Just log out it. That's it. How can I log in? So to log in, you have to use login.salesforce.com. What is the login URL for the production? Login.salesforce.com. So this is the login URL. Login.salesforce.com. Okay. Then you have to provide your username. Your username, it is there in the email. All right. Username, and you have to provide, you have created a password, right? So you have to provide your password. This is the login. Once you log out every day, how you log in? Login.salesforce.com with username and with password. So once you log in, right? So you will write out. If you want to register your mobile number, you can also register. As of now, I don't want to register my mobile number. Okay, you can leave it if you don't want that. Okay, just mobile registration only. So before logging, it will send OTP every time. Then if you enter that OTP, the code, right? Then only it will allow to log in sometimes, right? For that, so system will ask mobile registration. Okay. So this is the page you will see once you successfully sign up for the trial edition. So once you log out, then you will be signing off from that account. Once if you want to log in, you have to provide username and you have to provide passwords, right? So username and password like this. This way you can log in and log out. Tomorrow onwards, I will start discussing about each and every feature, right? So for the starting point to end point, so you will learn all the features about this tool. Okay, so that is all about today's sessions. Okay, I'm stopping my screen share. If any questions, let me know. Is this speed is okay for everyone? I mean, if anyone feeling it is very slow, it's boring, or if anyone feeling no, it is too fast, right? So because your feedback is very important, this is the first session, right? Then I can mold myself because different people will have different, right? So that's why.
No, sir, it is good. No problem at all.
Okay, nice.
It's okay, Mahesh. Yes, I felt the same.
Okay, good. If you guys have any questions related course and everything, please contact management. So they will help you guys, right? If any kind of questions, right? So forward your question to management. They will approach me. So I will try to answer.
So, during time, sir, this training,
Sorry.
during period, this training, how many days? Total?
So there is a admin and development is there. So for admin, it will take. I have given number of hours. I think it will take I mean, every month 22 hours will be there, right, generally, right?
Mhm.
So with admin plus admin, it will take 50 hours mostly.
Okay.
Yeah. If any advanced topics, right, if you guys want to learn, right, it may extend.
Mhm. Fine.
Yeah. For admin course, we can complete it in 25 hours, only admin. So there are different kind of jobs also you can try. Once you complete admin, you can start, you can go to the market and you can start trials as well. Only admin. There are different job roles are there. Admin jobs are there. No, if you are only aiming for development, you can also learn development. Then you can aim for the development roles as well. If you are already working for as a business analyst, so once you complete admin, you can aim for business analyst as well. If you are already working as a QA engineer, then complete admin, then you can also work as a Salesforce QA as well. There are different job roles are there, and you can also do certifications also. Once you complete admin, you can also do admin certifications. Okay, management will provide help you as well for providing dumps, right? So everything, every support we will provide.
Do you cover real-time projects?
Sorry.
Do you cover real-time projects?
In the during the correlation, whatever the course I'm covering, right? So I will only do with real-time scenarios only because I am the real-time expert. My style is different generally because I will not teach like spoon feed or something like that. I will not go with curriculum. Okay, I will go with 90% what is required for this people because I am also worked for the 10 years, past 10 years, right? I know what exactly required, what is not required, what is it is a low importance, right? I know. So in that way I will cover all the topics and also teach you in the real time way. At the end we will also provide, as you said, yes, projects also we will provide.
And I have one question like, what is the difference in these three technologies like Salesforce, AWS with DevOps, and Azure with DevOps?
See, Salesforce is a CRM, right? AWS is a different one. As I said, that cloud, right? There are SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS, three services they providing. Salesforce is providing a CRM tool. CRM means we are maintaining the customer relationship management. Right? AWS is nothing but they are providing infrastructure. How they are providing infrastructure? If they want to provide server allocations, if they want to build something, right? So right, they have to provide the tools, right? So that AWS itself is a different tool, infrastructure tool, and plot. You can, if you want to build any web applications, also you can also do AWS. DevOps is a process actually. The CI/CD, continuous installation, continuous software installations will be there. Continuous delivery, right? That is dev operations means whatever the sandbox we will develop and we will push to production, right? This one you want to automate, right? DevOps will helpful. And another what you said, another thing I forgot.
Azure with DevOps.
Azure is also Microsoft. Azure is also is a Microsoft tool actually. Azure, it's kind of a, they are also providing infrastructure as a service. Azure servers are like similar to AWS, but that is purely related to Microsoft one.
Do we have Salesforce with DevOps?
Yes, you can use DevOps anywhere, not only Salesforce. With any technologies, DevOps you can use.
And how is the job opportunities for the Salesforce in the market, and how much that we can get package, initial package if we are freshers?
The fresher minimum 3 lakhs will be there. Okay, it depends on company. If you are getting a fresher role in the MNC, for example, minimum 3 lakhs will be there. If any startup companies, right, they make you higher than that or they make you lower than that, because this is a tool based, right? So if you are know the tool, if you are going at a fresher, right, minimum you will get 3 lakhs per annum.
Okay. And no need to install any software, right, sir?
No need. No need. No need.
with
It's
the
an
tool.
online tool. It's an online tool. You have to log in with username and password in your real time as well.
And we should know the coding knowledge in this.
Yes, development also will cover.
Okay. What coding
First,
like basics?
It is a Apex coding language. Apex. So it is similar to like Java, but it is not complex as like Java. It's very simple because I said right, it's a cloud. No need to connect with the database. In Java, if you want to connect with the database, you have to write another level of code. If you want to connect with server, you have to write another lines of codes, right? But here, no need to connect automatically. That connections will be automatically it will be established, right? No need to write that much of code. You have to focus on direct logics only. So it is very simple.
Okay.
Yeah, someone is asking some question.
first you start with the admin course or development course?
Admin, obviously admin. Because if you don't know the admin, right? So it is hard to explain about development because we have to use the tables and everything, right? So you mustn't should any developer, right? So mustn't should have admin knowledge. That's mandatory. If you want to learn any advanced topics related to Salesforce, admin is mandatory. The basic. Admin is about tool, how to use the tool. That is admin. Let's suppose in mobile, we have settings, right? So if I want to customize in mobile configurations, right? Something app color, if I want change, or if I want to do something else, right? So if I want to deny permissions, so where I can do in the settings, that is so here also in the admin, right? That we have to know about tool, where exactly, what feature, where exactly it is there, right? So you will learn. So that is, it's just you are learning about the tool. Admin is nothing but
How do you support for certification?
certification. So we will provide the dumps. Dumps means same certification questions. See, once you completed course, right? So you most of the topics will covered in the certification, all right? And we will also provide certification dumps as well, right? The same dumps will appear in the certification as it is. Or there are several ways are there. So you can connect with management. They will explain. Another ways are there. That ways
Right
there are
now,
yeah. Sorry.
right now, majority of companies asking for certification candidates only. Right?
Yes, yes. Certification is mandatory for this
Yeah.
course. So we will also provide coupons as well. So certification actually $200 cost. Okay. Nowadays in the market, $140 coupons we will try to provide. So 140, $70. So that means the discounts we will try to provide if you take this course. Generally, if you outside, right? If you want to do certification, you have to pay $200 plus 18% GST. You have to do. But here we will provide some discount coupons as well.
Means
Mostly,
through this institute. If you
yes,
are, if I am
yes,
a peer through this
yes,
institute.
yes, yes.
Okay.
And there are other ways also there to do certification. If you are not willing to do certification, there are proxy certifications are there. That may be a additional cost. Okay, proxy certification. Instead of you, someone will write, but certification you will get on your behalf only.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
There are different ways are there. So we can you can just reach out to management. They will explain different ways are there actually. But
Okay.
the lowest level is you have to prepare. If you do that, right, that is the lowest level cost, right? Then other ways also there, because some people are real time work and they don't have time to prepare something, right? But they need certification immediately. Different
Yeah.
purpose, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
in
It
that
means
case,
if I get the opportunity, they will
yeah,
immediately conducting certification exam, right?
exactly. That's right. There are several ways are there to do certification.
Then how it means how you support for it means job purpose.
Yeah, after once you get an opportunity, right? So definitely we will have team of supporters, right? So we'll always will give support. No worry about it. The real time support.
Mhm. Then how you support for interview purpose?
Proxies, there are proxies are there. That's why everything is available, right? So
Yeah,
please connect with
hi.
management.
Mhm.
Yeah, hi. Uh, Related to proxy, related to certification, or anything you want, you just reach out to management. Everything we have to do. That may be in terms of certification, in terms of proxy, everything will do. Please contact to management.
So I have one more doubt. So I am working in Infosys. Now, if I learn the Salesforce course, so if
Yes,
I wanna change internally, I can go with
yes.
the internal, right?
Internal also you can change. The most of the MNC companies have a lot of projects related to Salesforce.
Okay.
Actually, I have nearly 4.10 years of IT experience. In this, 2.10 years of Salesforce PA experience.
Okay. So in that case, Salesforce BA experience. So if you are aiming for BA only, so if you want to know the domain knowledge, right?
Yeah, no.
So
Right now, I want to move for development side because I have means I have worked for QA, right? So I have knowledge on admin as well.
okay, understood.
So
So only thing is, so I don't know what level of knowledge you have for the admin, but because I cannot judge, right?
yes,
So only thing, if you continue this course, you may get new things. maybe you may or may not sometimes, right? So in this during the admin course, right? You may get additional knowledge as well at the real-time scenarios, how you are doing. After that, you can happily start development.
Okay, it means nearly 20 to 25 days after only you
Yes.
teaching.
Yes,
It means,
yes, exactly.
okay, nice.
So this Salesforce, this free trial, we no need to pay or something, right? We
No,
can use
no,
anytime, right?
no need to pay. You can create as many number of free trials. You can use as much you want. There is no pay.
So every time we have to give a new email ID.
No,
new
with
user,
one
right?
email ID, you can create a number of user IDs.
Okay. The
But
username would be different, right?
yeah,
Every time.
username definitely are different. But we don't need actually. One is enough, but you can. Salesforce will allow.
Okay.
Okay, then I have to jump to another call. So if any questions, please write to management. So I will get it from management. So or else tomorrow class we will discuss more.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Have
you.
a nice day. Bye bye.
Okay. Okay.